Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. We are going to talk UPSC History Main, Lesson 22, with regards to the topic of distribution of pastoral and farming of megalithic culture. As to talk about pastoral and farming of megalithic culture, we have to understand what is megalithic culture. Megalithic culture was exactly an Iron Age phenomena which is characterized by the construction of large stone monuments which is associated with burial sites. It is prominent in South India, shows the evidence of both pastoralism and agriculture. Well, we have to distribute that pastoral and farming of megalithic culture in three ways. Southern India, the Deccan region like Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, and Kerala holds a high construction of megalithic sites. Second, other regions, megalithic sites are also found in central India, which extended up to Vidarbha in Maharashtra. Right. Vidarbha is a known place of Indian people. It is situated in Maharashtra, and you will find the megalithic sites are available there. Beyond southern India, majority of sites of southern megaliths or south megaliths are also found in other parts of India. So, let me talk about pastoralism. That pastoral word actually relating to the village working. The people of village that they were working is called pastoralism. Cattle distribution, 1, 2, 3. Cattle distribution is one of the parts of it. Animal balls found there, suggesting the domestication of cattle, sheep, goats, and others or other animals. Cattle pastoralism was prominent feature of megalithic society. Where a megalithic society, talk about megalithic society, then we talk about that society of megalithic culture, right? Continuity of Neolithic practices. Megalithic culture also continued to the level of Neolithic tradition of cattle, right? Once second, I repeat it for your better understanding. Pastoral means village related working, and farming, that the cultivation of something of megalithic culture. Megalithic defines over here, big stone sized, and it was happened to be Iron Age of the people, and that evidenced by the construction of large stone monuments, and that were associated with burial sites, and it is prominent in South India, evidenced by the pastoralism and cultural activities. Distributions, as I said, that found in three different parts, and southern India, especially in Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, and Kerala, holds a high megalithic construction sites, and also other regions like Vidarbha in Maharashtra in central India found megalithic sites, and beyond southern India we find that other parts of India also, right? Pastoralism, when we talk about cattle domestication, cattle bones suggest the domestication of cattle, sheep, goat, and other, right? Cattle pastoralism was prominent feature of megalithic society, and continuity of Neolithic practices, found to be they are in relating to cattle, right? Well, friends, let me talk with these topics in Hindi little bit, not in large amount. Distribution of pastoral and farming of megalithic culture. Megalithic means बड़े पत्थर का बना जो युग था, उस सभ्यता का जो पास्टर देहाती और जो फार्मिंग था, उसका कैसे डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन किया गया था ये बता रहा है। मेगालिथिक कल्चर जो आयरन एज का ही पार्ट है, और इसके बड़े बड़े स्टोन के पत्थर के मोनूमेंट्स बनाया गया, जिसमें बारियल साइट्स इन्हें जलाया होता है और आदमी मरने के बाद में जो क्या क्रम करता था वो बताया गया है। ये साउथ इंडिया में ज़्यादा प्रोमिनेंट था, और इसका जो 3 साउथ इंडियन साइट्स है और कुछ सेंट्रल इंडिया को भी बता रहा है। डेक्कन साइड्स में तमिलनाडु, राइट, दक्षिण साइड का तमिलनाडु और कर्नाटका केरला में ज़्यादा था मेगालिथिक कंस्ट्रक्शन, और सेंट्रल इंडिया में आपको विदर्भ महाराष्ट्र में भी पाया जाता है, और साउथ इंडिया छोड़ के और किसी जगह पे भी इसका उदाहरण है। पैस्टोरलिज्म जो क्या ग्रामीण काव्य जो करते थे उस ज़माने में, उसमें कैटल डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन और कैटल डोमेस्टिकेशन, कैटल को पालतू बनाना, पशु को पालतू बनाने के लिए सजेस्ट किया गया है। इसमें पशु है, शिव, भेड़े, गॉड्स, जिसमें बकरी और भी थे। कैटल पेस्टोरलिज्म में आपका मेगालिथिक सोसाइटी के प्रोमिनेंट विशिष्ट इसमें दिखाया गया था। कंटिन्यूटी मेगालिथिक प्रैक्टिसेस भी दिखाया जा रहा था उसमें कैटल के बारे में। तो मैक्सिमम जो कैटल डोमेस्टिकेशन और कैटल पेस्टोरलिज्म जो है उसी के बारे में बताया जा रहा था। ये उस ज़माने में, पुराने ज़माने में सबसे ज़्यादा हुआ करता था, और सबसे ज़्यादा तमिलनाडु, कर्नाटक, केरला में और विदर्भ महाराष्ट्र में ये डिटेल्स किया गया था। थैंक यू वेरी मच फ्रेंड्स।